Well, hello and welcome to this another episode of Productivity Mastery. Now in this episode I want to just give you a little rundown on why your calendar is your most powerful productivity tool. Your calendar is really the most powerful tool you have in your toolbox simply because it's organized by date and time. So you can very clearly see what time you have available in between all your meetings and in between all your appointments. Now, your to-do list manager doesn't do that. All your to-do list manager does is just give you lists of tasks that need completing. But your calendar is giving you the times and the days that you have available to actually complete those tasks. Now, this is one of the reasons why I think that having a good, simple to-do list manager that organizes your tasks in a nice, easy way, and a calendar together, not combined together, but the two separate apps are such powerful tools when you're working with them together. So essentially, like today, I had a meeting that finished at 10 o'clock this morning. My next appointment, which is actually in the same area that I'm in at the moment, is at 11:30. That gives me 90 minutes. So I thought, okay, there is a park between where I was and where I need to be. I'm going to stop there and record this week's Productivity Mastery video. I saw that on my calendar. The thing is, I would never have seen that on my to-do list manager. I would have just seen a list of tasks that I need to complete today. And so this is why your calendar is such an important tool, and why you need to refer to your calendar every evening when you do the Golden 10. For those of you who don't know about the Golden 10, the Golden 10 is that 10 minutes at the end of every day that you plan the next day. You look at your calendar, you look at your to-do list, and you decide what you can get done the next day. And so that's why your calendar is such an important tool, and I think it's something that if you're not using properly, you need to have a look at and see if you can get better use out of your calendar. Well, thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope to see you again in the next episode.